If you have a new channel or maybe a small channel on YouTube, this is a massive announcement. YouTube has lowered the monetization requirements. In this video, we'll talk about what the new requirements are, and also there is a catch. So before we jump into all the details, make sure you like and share this video so more people can see this. All right, so this is the news from YouTube just today, and the new requirements are, here you go. So here are the new requirements. So you need 500 subscribers, 3 valid public videos, and one of these two. So you either need 3,000 watch hours on your long videos, or you need 3 million valid short views. So this used to be 4,000, and then this used to be 10 million, and also the subscribers used to be 1,000. So this seems like almost half the requirements, kind of. This is like a 4,000 versus 3,000. But here's the catch. Once you hit this milestone, you don't get all the monetization tools, you get some monetization tools. So here are the tools that you do get. So I'm going to highlight this so you can see it properly. So you are going to get super chat, super stickers, super thanks, and then the ability to promote your own, and then also channel membership. That's 4, and the 5th one is promote your own product. So you get access to 5 monetization tools or the features. So what's missing? The ads revenue. That's missing from this. So let's do I've done a chart, so let's do a side-by-side comparison so you can see everything clearly. So the new and the old way to monetize on YouTube. So here's the new method, 500 versus 1,000, 3 public videos, and then you need either one of those. You either need 3,000 public watch hours, so instead of 4,000, and then 3 million short views instead of 10 million views. But the catch is this doesn't lock down or unlock all the monetization feature. It unlocks 5. So here are the 5 features that it unlocks: memberships, and then super chat, super stickers, super thanks, and then promote your own product. Now, if you step back and look at this, so what I noticed is basically what the direction YouTube is going. So obviously, to make money from YouTube ads, which is missing from the new requirements or new sort of program, is the AdSense or the YouTube ads program, right? For that, you need a lot of views. So to me, it looks like what YouTube wants new channels to focus on is the engagement, the loyalty of you, of your fan base. So because if you have a loyal fan base, yes, you can sell membership. Yes, they will super chat you or give you super stickers or super thanks. So YouTube wants new channels and also the small channels to focus on not just the view count, not just the views, but the engagement, the loyalty that they have their fan base, because then you'll be able to monetize using these 5 features. And obviously, one other thing, so once you hit this milestone, all of these will count towards your the original or the old YouTube partner program eligibility. So from here, you'll need, like, let's say you hit 3,000, you only need like 1,000 more to be able to be eligible for this program or to be able to make money from YouTube AdSense or the ad revenue program. So I think exciting news, but let me know what you think of this, because my read on this is what YouTube really, they're giving us more monetization features early in our journey, but you're only going to be able to use these more effectively if you have a deep connection, if you have a loyal fan base or loyal audience on YouTube. Otherwise, if you're just after the views, then these may not mean a lot to your channel. If you have any question about YouTube monetization or anything else related to YouTube, let me know in the comments below. Before you go, like and share this video so more people can see this. And now I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.